Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I know that you're interested in learning more about phrasal verbs, so in this video, I'll share with you two phrasal verbs, how to use them, and their meanings. Let's begin. The first phrasal verb I want to talk about is to come across. This means to find or encounter something unexpectedly. For example, I came across an interesting article while browsing the internet. Another example could be, I came across an old photograph while cleaning out my attic. Now, let's move on to another one, to put off. This means to delay or postpone something. For instance, I had to put off my dentist appointment because I was feeling unwell. Another example could be, I keep putting off cleaning my room because I'm too busy with work. And that concludes the phrasal verbs we'll cover in this video. However, stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore additional phrasal verbs with even more examples and explanations. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and keep learning.